Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Today's special dish is chicken keema burger, or you can also make a chicken patties and enjoy this with any french fries or any side dish. So let's get started with the ingredients. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Alright, let's get straight into the ingredients. I've taken 1 pack of ground chicken. You can use mashed potato if you're not eating chicken, and in few vegetables here. So I have taken half of each, green and red bell pepper. I have thinly sliced them. I have some coriander, and I have taken 1 red onion thinly sliced, and of course 2 green chilies and some ginger garlic paste. If you do not have paste, you can just simply shred the ginger and garlic and just use it. Just beautiful fresh flavor here. And let's get into the dry ingredients now. Alright, so we have 3 to 4 tablespoons of plain bread crumbs. If you do not have breadcrumbs, you can use stale bread slices and just grind it, and or maybe you can just cut it and mash it with the ground chicken. So that's that. And then I have almost half a tablespoon of salt, red chili powder 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of chaat masala. If you do not have chaat masala, you can use any like pav bhaji masala or any Frankie masala, and 1 tablespoon of garam masala, and few pinches of turmeric powder. Alright, so mix all the ingredients together and give that a good mix. Just use your hands and simply mix all the ingredients well, and you see the patty is already formed. Alright, so you can keep these chicken patties for about 15-20 minutes, and then add 2 tablespoons of oil in the skillet and start cooking. You can once you put the patties, don't move them immediately. Just keep it covered for 5 minutes, and then once you hear the sizzling noise, then remove the lid and flip it to the other side. And as you can see, it is so beautifully golden brown color here. I have burger buns. I toasted it on the skillet on applying some butter. Now I'm adding mayonnaise and store-bought green chutney, quick and easy. And now you can top it up with tomato, onion, lettuce, and if you want more veggies, you can add bell pepper, some fresh bell peppers, carrot, anything like that. So enjoy this. Layer that patty now, and flip the other part of the bun, and this burger is ready to eat.